Can we go for a ride?
Yes, sir.
I call shotgun. We'll let Shin drive? All right. All right. So I'm in the passenger seat. Woohoo! And time to have some fun cruising in Brien 67. Brien, what's up?
What's up, man?
Hey, tell me a little bit about this car as we pull out in the traffic and it's quiet.
I built this car started in 2007, finished it in 2009. Just one of those long time goal type builds where there was that one car that you had to build, and this was the one for me. It was originally going to be the last car I ever built, but we all know how that went.
Very cool.
But it's a 1967 sunroof Beetle, American model. Original color, VW blue. It was everything I was looking for and more. But I decided about halfway through the build to make it a complete traditional cowlook car. And at the time I built it, it wasn't all that popular due to some financial reasons. We had sold the car in 2010 and then bought it back in 2014.
Awesome.
I just couldn't live without the car anymore. It was just like, oh, why did I sell that car?
I think a lot of us have been there.
Yeah.
But you're fortunate to get it back.
Right, and to have the opportunity to buy it back was just awesome.
That is cool. Very,
we made
very
that happen.
Oh, congratulations, man.
Well,
this is
thank
great.
you.
Looks like we've got a rider back there. Hey, Shin. Love the sound. Sound is amazing. Could have given these guys a pretty good shock, huh?
Yeah, right.
So what's in this thing again?
It's 1915. Basically just shop leftovers, counterweighted 69 millimeter crank, AA 94 millimeter pistons, fully balanced, light and flywheel, stage 2 clutch, FK45 with 40 by 35.5 cylinder heads.
That's awesome.
Ported, of course. And
built by you? Did you build them?
Built by me.
Right on.
The old motor that was in here was finally getting tired, and I needed something new, so I just went through my stash of stuff and said, hey, I got enough here to build something fast.
I like it. Sounds like fun. So tranny-wise, what did you end up doing? Because I know you raced this car as well.
I did race it for a while. We had a close ratio, Pro Street transmission done. Had a close first through third with a stock fourth. And I just realized one of the things that I really like about this car is the way it drives. It's fast and it's fun, but more importantly, it drives well. And with the close ratio and the solid transmission mounts, it was really, really hard on the senses. You know, it was hard to be comfortable in it. So we went back to a stock transmission, and it's just easier to drive. I commute in the car about 3 times a week. She gets like 24 miles to the gallon. So
wow, no kidding.
Yeah,
that's great.
And it's more enjoyable on the street. Don't get me wrong, drag racing's fun. I mean,
but if you're commuting,
you don't want to be like, you know, every light is a Christmas tree.
I think you got an OPD up there on the left, right there, yeah, coming at us. Yeah. Okay. So I guess no opening it up.
Yeah. No launch practice today. He's looking at his phone.
Yeah. There you go. nicely.